Hey, welcome back. Many years ago, I started going down the battery-powered tool tunnel, rabbit hole, whatever. So most of us, as you know, are getting off of corded tools and going to battery-powered tools. So my first set of tools were Ryobi Blue, the blue ones, 18 plus volt system. And the reason I got those is because they had a whole line of tools that use the exact same battery form factor. But at the same time, Ryobi promised that when the lithium-ion tools and lithium-ion batteries came out, the form factor would be identical, and it would fit the new and old tools. So I'll take a chance, and the chance paid off because the new tools, like this saw, which I'll describe in a minute, take both batteries, and so do the old tools. I have lithium-ion for all those tools now. So yeah, I've got drills. I actually have a trim router. I got a weed whacker, which is part of the story, and I got a lawnmower, which is not part of this story. So let's go back to the saw. I found out with this saw and the battery that came with it, and any of my other thinner 18-volt batteries, this will run for a while. It'll slow down and stop. I don't know if it's protecting the battery, the motor, or some circuitry or whatever. Don't know. So I did a Google search and found it seems to be a characteristic of the tool. But I found a solution. Let me do a demo for you now, and I'll show you my solution. That's what I was talking about. It's a great tool, but it tends to stop to protect something in the circuitry or the motor or whatever. And I thought I was going to have to return it and be done with it. But I found a fix. When I bought my weed whacker, it came with a much larger battery. This has the ampere hours on it. The other one doesn't. 4 ampere hour battery. It also has a little test button, which is kind of cool. Anyhow, I got this large battery. And while I was working on those 2 floors, I got tired of this. Battery was running down anyway, so I took this battery out, threw it back in the charger, came in here and got this one, and connected this one to the saw. This fixed the problem. I've not had a problem with it since. So let me demo that for you now. See what I mean? This battery was at a full charge when I put it in here just a few minutes ago. That battery's at a full charge. So for some reason when you're running these batteries, this is 24 watt hour, 18 volt battery, and it causes it to cut out on occasion. I'm not sure what's going on here, but if you put this battery on, if you have one of these bigger ones on here, this thing will run basically forever. I mean, we did the entire first floor of flooring, and I had to cut out a lot of pieces, make a lot of changes to have the flooring fit in the floor with this saw and this battery, and it never quit once. As you saw right now, I went through the same piece of 3/4 inch plywood, didn't quit. I've done other jobs with it and it didn't quit. It will quit with this battery, it will not quit with that battery. So tool tip, if you get one of these Ryobi saws, if you don't have the large battery, when you can get around to it, get the large battery, and that'll work fine.